Hey, what's up, everybody? Take a look, man. I got MK's castings. Take a look. I got these at Target. I make sure I'm gonna save this receipt because I wanted to order those the mail-in Mustang from Target, but I had lost my receipt. But anyways, take a look, man. Found these MKs. The actual toy section was really empty. These ones were closed by the registers. So I'm glad I took a glance at the registers. But this is the 66 Chevy Nova with the flames. This thing is great, man. Looks nice. Um, but damn, this one right here though, Fair Lady 2000. This thing is just super nice. It kind of looks like a red edition, but this is just the regular and very nice, man. Datsun. Hopefully we can get some real riders up in this one. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's see what else. What else we got? I got the twin mill Gene E. Very nice casting as well from the Hot Wheels Exotics. Let's see what else. I got here these Porsche Carrera. This thing is looking like those Disney cars, the movie. Porsche Carrera, very nice with the temples on the back and the front. Very nice, man. I like it with the white wheels. Very cool casting for the night burners. And take a look, man. This is the Volkswagen SP2. Very nice as well. Cool color variation. Yeah. This thing, it's alright. Looks nice. VW. And take a look. Here I have the Dodge Charger RT. This is a cool casting as well. Somebody in the Facebook group was saying that they could not find them at all, but there it is, man. So take a look, man. Another cool combi. And I was having a hard time getting the 20 castings. I picked up mainly the ones that I did not have, and then I double on a few, like these two right here. I double mainly because there wasn't much options other than like fantasy cars, which I'm not really into. But yeah, I had to get these ones as well. Take a look at this El Camino, which I do not remember if I have it, but being MKs, I doubt it. But it also looks cool in red. I like it in red better than the green, just because it does have the flames. So red goes with the flames, or the flames go with red. And take a look, this is the Pagani Huayra in black. Very nice. And speed graphics. Cool casting. Very nice. Let's see what else, man, before my wife and my kids get here, because they've been loud. I tried recording at the store, but they were just way too loud. Take a look at this custom 4 Maverick, man. Grady, very cool. Kind of gives it like a Samac, but sparkly gray, silver. I don't know, man. Whatever it is, this is super nice. Looking great. And take a look at this. This is the Ford Torino Talladega in white. This thing is very low with the yellow tint. Also very nice. Chrome base. Cool. Let's see what else, man. The Miata, I had this one as well. But like I said, I had to double. So yeah, nice cool looking Miata. Yeah, and I had bought already an Integra. But this one also very nice. I had only bought the Integra from the M case because you guys know I'm a fan of Acura, but Integras are like memorable to me, so I had to pick that one. And take a look, man. I came across this is the treasure hunt, and there you go with the logo flame, or the flame logo up in the front. Cyber speeder, very cool, really cool casting with the white wheels, looking great. Let's see, another Pagani Huayra. Like I said, I had to double, mainly because the remaining were fantasy cars, and of course I had to double on the Acura Integra. Like I said, this casting is just what got me into Hot Wheels pretty much. And I'm not a big fan of the Mustangs, but take a look at this one, man. Like I said, I had to take 20, and yeah, I mean, this is really not that bad, you know what I mean? It's looking nice, colors, nice casting. I don't know, man, it stands out. Cool Mustang. And let's see, this is a Veil Air Gasser, which I don't know, man. Like, a lot of people have been saying that they're all over this, they never get it. And when I did find the, what was it, J case with the street creepers, I did left a few of these ones. I only grabbed 3, and I'm sending one to Mike Dyson. He asked for one. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what the big deal is about them, but not a problem, Mike. There's one going your way. And last but not least, this is the Bone Shaker right here. And well, this is it. This is 20 cars that I grabbed, and I'll do the follow-up on how to send and process or how to, yeah, pretty much how to get your mail-in Target exclusive, because that's why I got these ones pretty much for. But anyways, guys, stay tuned, all right? Yeah.